Great Friday, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. I'm assuming by now you've experienced the big chill across South Africa thanks to our departing cold front that swept across the country this work week. Well, if you thought this morning was cold, you're in for a bit of surprise because I think tomorrow morning we'll actually see the coldest temperatures from this storm system. More on that in just one moment. In terms of the weather tonight, we have dry conditions across the majority of the Republic. The only exception, small chance of an overnight shower from Richards Bay to Maputo, otherwise clear skies. And we all know what that means this time of year. That's going to allow our temperatures to drop like a rock over the central parts. We have a high likelihood of frost overnight across the central interior. There are a few clouds near Cape Town, but that will not produce any rainfall. So just to recap, fine and dry, but very cold over the central parts. Small chance of a shower or two exists overnight and once again into your Saturday for the extreme northeastern sections of KwaZulu-Natal. Otherwise, we bring back the mention of sunshine for the central parts, bit of cloud cover along the coastal areas. The big story here, of course, are temperatures very cool throughout the central interior. By the way, this is our next approaching cold front that will impact the southwestern Cape by late Sunday evening and once again into Monday, just in time to start off the work week. Chances of rainfall tonight, 20% probability near Richards Bay, otherwise dry elsewhere, so no problems on account of the weather. Dry roadways anticipated across the majority of the country. Chilly temperatures if you're located near the City of Gold. Bundle up tonight if you have evening plans, especially outdoors. 3 degrees below freezing with light and variable winds. The sunshine will be very deceiving this Saturday, only allowing for daytime highs to warm to 15, although that'll probably feel pretty good out there considering we have such cold weather in place, light and variable winds once again. Now we have northwesters across the central and western half of the country, including Cape Town, Sutherland, and George. Cross-shore wind expected along the east coast. We're anticipating wind gusts between 15 and 25 kilometers per hour between East London and Durban. Now, we don't often see this dark shading of blue over the Highveld region. 7 below for Bethlehem and Bloemfontein. 1 below overnight for Pretoria. Temperatures easily dropping into the single digits for George, PE, East London, and Cape Town, even along the west coast near Springbok and Vredendal. Still a cool Saturday anticipated across South Africa. Temperatures in the lower and middle teens for most locations. Lower 20s anticipated along the coastal areas. In fact, 21 degrees for Port Elizabeth, 22 near East London. Mbombela and Pretoria both at 17. Sunday's forecast, sunshine across the majority of the country, some temperature recovery. There's our rainfall late Sunday evening for Cape Town. That rain and cool weather overspreads the southwestern Cape by Monday. That's all from me. Stay warm.
Know more. eNCA.com